What's coming off the natural gas flame, helping cook Jason Prater's family meals in Greene County, is not what he, or likely most of the half of all Americans the federal government estimates use gas appliances, usually think about.
Never thought about the gas stove.
But in this Rocky Mountain Institute study the I-Team reviewed,
so we started looking into the cook stove because that's the one appliance that we're standing in front of every day.
Authors from the well-known nonprofit energy group warn gas appliances could be a large source of toxic indoor pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and formaldehyde.
Really, a lot of the pollutants that are coming from our cook stoves are toxic and invisible, many of the same pollutants that come from our tailpipe.
The author's saying they could make respiratory conditions worse, especially with children.
We have a son that has asthma, so started to do some more reading.
Reading for some included this recent New England Journal of Medicine editorial. Authors saying the cumulative safety evidence was enough to recommend removing all new gas appliances from the market.
We disagree with what they're saying.
Ohio Oil and Gas Association spokesperson Michael Chadsey represents more than 2,000 Ohio companies. He told me the authors have a track record of being anti-oil and gas.
Well, I read the journal article, and I wasn't so impressed with the three individuals who wrote that.
Here in Centerville, you are looking at a section of natural gas line Vectren is replacing. It is our area's largest gas supplier, and it is spending tens of millions of dollars to upgrade natural gas lines. And with hundreds of thousands of Miami Valley customers, the I-Team felt Vectren's parent company was a critical voice to ask about potential appliance concerns. Despite emailing back and forth more than a dozen times since early April, CenterPoint Energy refused to talk on camera. It said it would provide a written statement, but that has not happened.
We do not support some of the recent claims that have been published.
But down in one of the country's largest natural gas consuming states,
as a matter of fact, we assert that natural gas is safe to use for a range of household appliances.
Oklahoma natural gas spokesperson Don Tripp told our Tulsa I-Team partners they had no gas stove safety concerns.
The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, as well as the Consumer Product Safety Commission, have not identified any health risk associated with the operation of natural gas appliances and concerns for indoor air quality.
But when the I-Team checked, an Environmental Protection Agency spokesperson said in a statement gas stoves can be sources of pollutants called combustion products, which can include carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and particles.
We have it here at the house and fully support it.
Still, the Ohio Oil and Gas Association's Chadsey maintains his organization is not concerned.
Yes, it is safe and should be used.
Keep in mind, Chadsey represents an $86 billion Ohio industry, some 200,000 jobs, including crews building almost a dozen Ohio natural gas plants dependent on its success. Despite big business interests, these health concerns are getting people's attention.
40 cities and communities in California have banned any gas in new construction when it comes to homes.
Well, the easier answer there is Ohio is not California. And we are proud of our long and rich history of coal development, of oil and natural gas development. And we know, because the science tells us, that natural gas is part of the climate change solution, not part of the climate change problem.
It is a debate the Praters, like so many families, continue to think about. The question here on this Greene County farm remains an active one.
Are you thinking about buying something alternative, electric?
That's not my call in this house, James. if she wants to, then absolutely we will.